Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix fingerprint sensor not responding on DOOGEE smartphone. Okay, so first we'll have to delete all existing fingerprints. To do it, open up your settings and now scroll down all the way until you find security and privacy. Now go straight into device unlock and click on fingerprint and face unlock. First confirm with your screen lock and now click on the fingerprint and delete all existing fingers. So click on the bin icon and click on delete. Also, let's simply clean the sensor by using a dry clothing, because sometimes that might be the problem. Why isn't it responding? Because the sensor might be dirty. And also we'll have to, of course, register it once again. So let's click on add fingerprint and also make sure that your finger is also clean, because if you try to register with a dirty finger, that also might be the problem. Why isn't it working properly and it's not responding? So simply place your finger. Still it says that it's not recognized, but sometimes you just need to place your finger once again, and it's really important to place it from different angles. You can see that it's fulfilling right now pretty nice. So you just need to try until it gets registered. You can see that I'm placing different parts of my finger and everything is going. We are almost done. And now it has been registered. Let's click on done and let's try how it works right now. I'll place my finger, everything responds really quick. Let's do it once again. Boom. And one last time. Everything is now okay. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.